Ahí hay una, mira. Sí. ¿Cuál es baeta? No. O si quiere le doy la mía. Oh, pata. All right, guys, here we are. Here we are. Roofing after a snow day. We gotta shower the whole roof off. All right. See that? What he's doing right there? Shoving the whole roof off. And we gotta set up tops, shove it up, set up tops, you know. I'll get back to you guys later. Ahora sí. Qué lindo tenía el nombre.
Estoy fuerte a mis 40 años, 41.
Gracias a Dios, Daniel. No, qué lindo. Qué lindo, Daniel.
No cómo va a morir yo, güey. Está peligroso esto, ¿no? Demasiado. Ya la despedida acá por Salvador. ¿Qué sabes? Pero ya lo recuerdo ya.
¡Oh, Hugo!
Ahí yo vengo medio.
Medio, pata, oye. No, Daddy, thank you. Good.
Que nosotros echamos un besito. Ellos siguen ripiando.
Here you go, guys. All done. All done. So we were over here this morning. As you see, what time is it now? It's like 3:35. This thing was all full of snow. We shoveled it off. And we got it done. It was a champion. Good job, guys. Good job. Oh, he's another gun too. Looking nice and clean. Huh? These are my tools that I make money with, by the grace of God. Thank you to all. Thank you, Hitachi. Not Hitachi, now it's Metabo.